Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reach the upper front area like the dishwasher's wipers on your new Actros MP5. In the front side you can see there are two hidden stair objects, and there you can get on it, and this will help to climb the front area of your Mercedes-Benz new Actros MP5 easily. You have a lever in the front upper area over the Actros sign, here you can see, then grip it and get on it to replace the wipers, for example, or clean your front screen. If you done your job and if you like to go back on the road, do not forget to close these service boards before you're driving. So, job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.